Here's a Kenner'S girder and panel building set, construction set from the 50s that I want to show you. This is the planning book, and it has pages of different plans of buildings that you can make, showing the skeleton girder and girders that are installed. These are buildings or a hotel or a hospital, or we have a high-rise or a bank building, commercial buildings, department stores, train terminal. Some other ideas for building these are a medical building or a bus terminal, an airport hangar, airport terminal. Here's an unusual looking thing. It's called a seaside inn. Here's a high-rise apartment building. Many different types of buildings you can build with this. The broadcasting center. Another office building. A newspaper plant. Shopping center. Another railroad station. Post office. Fire department. More office buildings. Another airport terminal. So anyway, there's a lot of opportunities, including bridge building here. And here's a building with roadways connected to it with a train running underneath the ground level. Here's how it works. Here's an example of a building that I put together. And this board here has holes in it, round holes in it. The girders insert in these round holes. They have a square peg, so it'd be a square peg in a round hole. At the top of each is 4 flanges, and a beam has hooks on each end, and that connects to these girders. Here's an example of a small example that can show you how these connect. See, that hook goes right into the flange there. Then you connect panels. Now these panels are very thin plastic. In fact, they're very fragile, which is why some of these Kenner'S girder and panel building sets are really kind of rare, because once you put them on there, these panels on there, they can tear easily. Maybe you can see right here on this corner that there's a little tear right here. Each panel has a hole on the top and a hole on the bottom left and right. So that's how these are attached. They fit over these pegs like this. The hole goes right into that peg. And that's how these are built. Anyway, this example is not from a plan from the book, but something I dreamed up. And I just want to show you that they have doors and plate glass windows. They have panels with one quarter of the panel is not glass. The rest of it's glass. They also have a 2/3 panel with glass at the top, and they have solid panels. Usually these early 50s, mid-50s panels were in yellow and orange, typical 50s colors, and the roof panels are blue, and they also have skylight roof panels, which I've installed on this one. And you can have a drive-through and a drive-through here. But anyway, this is one of the more popular toys of the 50s, but again, they're very fragile but easy to build, and you can let your imagination run wild. I had one of these when I was a kid, but unfortunately, you know, it kind of falls apart. Those plastic panels are so thin and so fragile. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this presentation. Oh, I also wanted to show you some signs that come with each set. Here's a box that one of these sets come into. This is a smaller set, set number 2, and it shows how these are built. Some more suggestions on building, but there's also signs available in each set. You have firehouse, candy store, toy store, railroad station, TV station, bus terminal, courthouse, high school, 5 and dime store, whatever that is, and rental store, manufacturing companies, motel, shipping and receiving, and here's one for garage. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll have another follow-up video on a different set that was built in the early 60s. Thank you for watching.